What's the deal with Spectrum and Roadrunner email? Let's break it down in under a minute. Spectrum Mail is the new and improved version of the old-time Warner Cable and Roadrunner email. If your email ends with rr.com or twc.com, it still works with Spectrum. Think of it like this. Roadrunner became TWC, and now it's Spectrum. To log in, head over to www.spectrum.net/login or mail.spectrum.net. Just enter your full email and you are in. If you see a two-step verification, just enter the code sent to your phone. Once you're in, you can manage your inbox, drafts, and spam, just like you would in Gmail or Outlook. If you can't log in, try resetting your password at spectrum.net/reset or use incognito mode. And that's how you navigate Spectrum and Roadrunner email, easy and still working in 2025. Don't forget to like and follow for more tech tips.